Incremental greetings. This is Incremental, also known as William Pallet. SuperMemopedia, let's say that you want to add pictures, screenshots. I have seen some users that are linking to some other web pages that you can host any picture for free. But that's the point in doing that. You can put them here because it's a wiki page. Let's take this example, understanding the first application variable of penny items, which now I want to share 2 screenshots of my stats, which are not in the actual video. Let's go to the main page. As you can see, there's no option now to upload. That's because I don't have to log in. So log in with the universal user. Now, if you notice, I have this option, upload file. If you ask a question, you have to log in, so you will see this option. And then what I need now is to make the screenshot. I will use this one to show my optimum interval, which is at 33 days, which is something crazy. Yeah, I use just old school pen. I will call it Palace. So go back here. Oh, really, where it is. Now copy that. That will be better, quicker. Yeah, actually, it's better to copy that because you have the file column already. I will go back to the page. I want to add the picture, edit, and now you have to follow the syntax to add pictures. That's the video, so I will add optimum interval, and now here it is, the name of the picture. But I will have to use square brackets. Actually, 2 square brackets, I think. Let's try that. And here it is. But what happens is that you don't have a new line break, and the size is the maximum. So you may want to resize those. How it's done? Pretty simple. Here I will make a new line break with HTML, which is BR. Okay. So the syntax is the following. Now you want to add the size. So you add a vertical bar, just as we did with the YouTube. The size in pixels, let's say 600, and px, which stands for pixels. Show preview. You see it's a lot tinier, and you have a new line. Maybe it's too tiny, so I will leave it as 100. Click on save, and then you have the prompt. As always, Supermemo, and that will be it. It's useful if the screenshot is, I don't know, 4K or it's so big, you can reduce it. The point is that I can now see the optimum interval is 33 days. And now if I want to add a second picture, a second screenshot, I will repeat the same process. I will go back here, upload file, give it a unique name, so on and so on. So I hope this has been helpful. And please don't hesitate to share your questions on SuperMemopedia.